In this guide, I'll show you how to connect or pair your PS5 controller to your PS5 when it's not working. So the first thing you want to do is rotate your controller, and you want to find a pin or something small enough to press the button on the back of your controller, and you want to hold it down for about 5 seconds. Now this is going to reset your PS5 controller, and then once you've done that, what you want to do is get the USB cable that came with your console, and you want to plug it into your PS5, then into the top of your controller. Now, what this is going to do is cause orange lights on the front of your controller to flash, indicating it's connected. Then you want to press and hold the PlayStation button until the blue lights flash, and now your controller's connected. Now, if that doesn't work, if you have a second controller, you can go to Settings and Accessories. Then you can scroll over to Bluetooth accessories, and you should see the controller that's already connected. And you want to grab your second controller and press the PlayStation button as well as the share button until it starts flashing, putting it into pairing mode. Now what you want to do is use your primary controller to scroll down under Accessories Found and select the DualSense wireless controller, and you can add it to your device. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.